Hello viewers, welcome back to Raj Ka Garage. So finally after a long wait, I've got hands on the OE accessories. Here I have the engine guard upper, the engine guard lower, the panel supports, and a special thing that I have is a chrome side stand, which is again a OE accessory from Honda. So I'll be fitting this on my Honda Highness, and I'll show the difference between the regular side stand, which is the powder coated black one, and the chrome one as well. Also, there are some questions around the pannier supports, how they are helpful. So I'm just going to show one. I'll show you how they help you in your putting your saddlebag. So this saddlebag is currently without any pannier supports, and if you look on the left hand side, you can see that the sari guard is actually protecting the saddlebag into getting into any kind of I'll say not getting into the wheel or anywhere near the chain. But on the right side, it's actually directly getting into the springs, and there is a possibility that during high speeds it might even touch the sidewall of the tires, and it can lead to any incident. So the pannier supports, I'll show you how it will look, and how the pannier supports will actually help you put a saddlebag properly and safely on the bike. So I'll put some video now in fast forward mode while I'm putting all these accessories. Stay tuned. So while I'm not recording the entire fitting process, but I would like to call out a thoughtfulness, the I'll say thoroughness or thoughtfulness from the Honda guys about the accessories that they've given. Now, not only the accessories are, Honda has been generous enough to provide standard fasteners along with the accessories. And the reason being, if you look at this, these two bolts, this is the stock bolt, and this is what comes along with the accessories, or the engine guard. Now this bolt is almost almost a centimeter longer than the stock one. That's because the guard thickness, the metal thickness is good enough, and it will actually, the bolt length will not fall should not fall short, is what Honda's motive is. And even if you look at these two bolts, which fit here on the top side, this sits in the bottom, which is also part of the engine foundation. And these two bolts again, these are 14 ones and these are 12 ones. So even these are again, I'll say half a centimeter longer than the stock ones. This is stock one, this is the accessory one, this is the accessory, this is stock one. So these are, Honda has thoughtfully given this, I'll say not just thoughtfully, generous enough to give those extra longer bolts, so that they can accommodate the extra thickness of the accessories, or the that metal. So thanks Honda for that. I'll take a pause again. So this is the side stand demobilizer spring, the powder coated side stand. I'm going to remove that now. So this is really special, small thing, but premium thing. It's a solid bar. It's not a hollow tube, chrome plated one. It's a solid bar, and it cost me 375 rupees. So not much, I'll say. So the side stand, chrome side stand is on. मैं इसके फोटो डालूंगा surely. For me, it's looking premium. This is the same thing is on my Chrome as well, so it's looking nice. And I'll just check the immobilizer operation क्योंकि अभी मैंने इसका तो ये मैं जस्ट चेक कर रहा था इमोबिलाइजर अपनी जगह पे लगा या नहीं लगा है, इफ एनीथिंग. सो दैट्स इट. अब मैं लगाऊंगा सैडल स्टेज, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. So finally all the accessories are in. I've put the accessories. The engine crash guard upper, engine crash guard lower मैंने fit नहीं किया है. The one that I got had a clinging sound or noise inside. उसके अंदर कुछ शायद spot गिरा होगा वेल्डिंग के टाइम पे, and that is making a clinging noise which might magnify in a running vehicle. The special thing that I was talking about is the side stand, a chrome side stand rather. It's looking premium and very nice. That's giving a pure premium look to the bike, adding to the premium look rather, I'll say, not because only of this. And the pannier stays, I'll explain what pannier stays are. Pannier stays are your I'll say saddlebag supports. So this is the saddlebag, like I put that earlier. The pannier stays or the saddle stays, they actually prevent your saddlebag getting into the moving parts. मैं जैसे आपको बताता हूँ अभी यहाँ पे. So if I put this bag now, okay, so you can see this bag is actually nicely sitting on the pannier stays or the saddle stays. They are not getting anywhere near or they'll never get anywhere near the wheel or the spring area. Same on this side as well. So that's the beauty of these pannier stays. They are very helpful, prevents any kind of risk. So one more thing I wanted to check was whether these pannier stays or saddle stays make any difference to the pillion rider comfort. So let me check that. Assuming that I'm a pillion rider, I'm sitting behind, and while getting on the bike I did not find anything. It's not touching anywhere, not anywhere. While getting down, थोड़ा सा मेरा inner seam, थोड़ा सा inner thigh यहाँ पे touch होता है, but it's not that uncomfortable. The bike is already on main stand, so already थोड़ा सा height ज़्यादा है. Otherwise not providing any kind of discomfort because of the saddle stays. Fork gaiters I'm not putting in. I have my personal opinion as per my experience and knowledge. See, this bike has already a suspension setup which is on the stiffer side, and if you look at this, if you put the fork gaiters, you will have a air pocket in the fork gaiters. The fork gaiters are very they are like a kind of a seal itself, and they get a develop an air pocket inside. Because of that air pocket, you'll have a further stiffness to the suspension. This is at a micron level, but that's my take. I'm not putting it. It's a good to have thing, but it's not a must to have thing. ये आपके fork के यहाँ पे already यहाँ पे dust seal होता है, which prevents it cuts all the dust that gets accumulated on these fork pipes. इसके नीचे oil seal होता है, and if the dust gets around the oil seal area, which is where the scratches might come, वहाँ से फिर लीकेज शुरू होता है. बट उसके पहले यहाँ पे डस्ट सील है. सो fork gaiters are not an absolute must. So that's it. I hope you can see the bike in side stand, in the chrome side stand rather, and I hope it clears the doubt about the saddle stays. Another thing I wanted to clear was this is the engine guard. Mind you, this is not a knee guard. A lot of people have been saying that the knee guard is too short. The knee guard concept, how much it is effective, I don't know, because मेरा बहुत साल पहले इस RX Limit पे accident हुआ था, and there was a knee guard which bent and my leg was trapped between the knee guard and the engine itself. So it was a big one, and so knees does not get guarded by these one. Yes, this can save the tank. It is outside the tank area, so this can definitely when the bike leans at a particular angle, this will touch first. So it will save the engine and the tank area. But if it is a big crash, I don't know how much bigger knee guard you have. Chances of parts surviving is always limited. So, and a lot of people are putting, aftermarket knee guards and all. I don't know how much it's actually taking away all the aesthetics from the bike, from the machine. So keep it as it is, as Honda has thought. I hope you like this video. uh, अभी एक और एक बनाने वाला हूँ on explaining certain other things on the bike. So stay tuned, keep watching, please subscribe, and happy riding.